Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Purple Mango and today we have an exciting video of unboxing packages that I got. So I have a couple things from Sephora and Amazon and I've been waiting all week long to open them up with you guys. So let's get started. Okay, so as you can see, I am definitely in the comfort of my bedroom right now. So let's get started. Let's see what we got. I know that I have a lot of stuff from Amazon. I buy things that I can shoot content with, skincare products and things like that. So honestly, some stuff I remember I have, some stuff I don't. So this one is from Amazon. Stuff inside here. Okay, so this one is a E-Gold detangling hairbrush. I know about these. Look at this. Really pretty. Hopefully, it's actually missing a little thing in it, unfortunately. But I like the color of it. I got two detangling brushes in here. They're both missing it. Are they supposed? They're like missing it in the same spot. I don't know. But what I wanted these brushes for is for the color, because I'm trying to like reorganize my bathroom counter, and I kind of want it to kind of be like very neutral colors in there. I have a lot of old stuff that I use for my toiletries and my makeup, so I wanted to kind of have like a nude or a neutral color brush in one of the jars. Alright, I can open it from here. I don't know, online shopping is like Christmas. Every day you get new packages and new stuff. Oh yeah. Okay, so these are going to be really good aesthetically for content creation and when I like put my makeup stuff together, and yeah, especially this one. I like this color. It's like a little nude, so how they blend together, right? But it's also supposed to be a detangler, an actual comb that I will actually use. It's not just for props. And then, oh, these are a little bit of vivacious lashes. So I call them vivacious because they're like really like feathery. Okay, so we're opening up this one. I think this is my jewelry organizer. Yes. Okay, so like I told you guys earlier, I'm reorganizing, kind of like creating an aesthetic vibe in my bathroom. So that needs to start with my bathroom drawer where I put my makeup at, and it's like all over the place. So I did, oh no, this is the wrong thing. It's still an organizer, but it's not the one that I thought it was going to be. It's this one. Look guys, this is actually for my dresser. Okay, look, so pretty. Yeah, so this is going to be really pretty on my actual dresser. And you just put your little earrings on there, because like right now my earrings are like all over the place. So just to have a central location, because I'm really bad at like putting my jewelry back in my jewelry box. I normally have my stuff all over the place, so maybe hopefully this can help me like at least centralize where all my jewelry is, and like I don't forget, I don't lose pairs of my earrings and stuff like that. So this is gonna be really cute. I like this. Okay, so this was also in that Amazon package. I already know what this is, because back to the theme of jewelry, I always lose my jewelry, and I need some new hoops. So I think these are. So I don't know, my costume, when I rock costume jewelry, I like to get it gold plated and make sure that it doesn't have like nickel and all that kind of stuff. These are way smaller than I thought they were gonna be. Look at these. These are just gold hoops. They're 14K plated. These are not big at all. I don't know, y'all. These are small as crap, and I don't like my hoops small. I don't. I like my hoops big. Look how small these are. I think this is going back, guys. This is too small. I would not give this. No. Not for me. Not for me. I need my hoops bigger. I just do. I'm not trying to break my press-ons. Which today's press-ons are from Glamnetics. They're so cute. They're like iridescent. And they're perfectly short so I can type. Yes, this is what I need. So I can, oh look, I didn't even know it came like that. Okay, so let's pull them out. They're clear cases that you can, not even clear cases, but clear organizers that you can organize and arrange however you want. I love the fact that they have little cups inside of them too for the organizing of your drawers. So that's going to be extremely helpful because a lot of times with my makeup, I do have organizing, I have like an organizing drawer for my makeup. I have a lot of makeup. So different organizing pieces, but I have this drawer in my bathroom and that's the one that I'm like going to the most, where the makeup that I use the most, like my mascara, my eyeliner, my lashes, things like that. So I need these. This keeps everything together. So I'm excited about this. The fun part, the Sephora part. All right, so on to the good stuff. What did I get? I didn't get a lot, but I got a lot. So first up, we have, this is from Herbivore. It's their Sea Star set. I'm excited about this. I'm actually excited to shoot this content for this. Let's see, how do we open it up? Well, I'm not going to open it up yet because I'm actually going to shoot this for something else. But we do have this set. This is their skin brightening set. I have pigmentation on my skin that I've been working on a lot, and so just trying some new stuff in there. So it does come with their vitamin C serum that has turmeric in it, a pink cloud creamy jelly cleanser, and then a lapis is what it's called, their facial oil. So I'm really excited to open this up, use this, shoot this content for a little bit of UGC stuff, and yeah, we have that. That was exciting. I've been hearing so much about Fenty Beauty's fat water, so I just went out and purchased the fat water. It's a pore refining toner serum. So this is what I bought. This is the Fenty Skin fat water. The last thing that I bought, Patrick Ta. It comes with cream blushes and powder powder blushes. So again, this is going to be shot for some content stuff, but I'm also excited. So that's what I got from Sephora because I was shopping on a budget. So that's what I only got so much. Actually, was I shopping on a budget? I was shopping on a budget because I had a gift card, $100 gift card. So this is what I bought for $100 from Sephora. Inflation. Oh, anyway, okay, so thank you for watching today's video of unboxing these products. I'm glad to have shared these with you. If you're interested in any of these products, I will link all the links to find these products or where I got them from below. Like, share, comment, subscribe to the channel. If you're new to this channel, thank you for watching today. And until then, I will see you next time. Bye.